Hello, we are here at seashore of RK Beach, which is located in Vizag, Andhra Pradesh, India. Here you can see big mountains. There is dolphin hills also. So fantastic the site is. Let's see. Come, return. Come. Return. Here we can see it is saying that time and tide are wait for none. So enjoy life no matter what ups and downs happen in life. In left side you can see there is a mountain that is Kailasgiri. At the same time there are some big buildings, corporate. Everything is okay. Nice site. But at last we can say that it can be dangerous if you do not resemble at time. So be careful, be alert, enjoy your life. Nice place to visit. Vizag, Visakhapatnam. Thank you so much. Keep sharing, keep subscribing our channel. Thank you.